I'm in the engine room of this DeFever 44 trawler, and I'm aiming at the 250-gallon stern diesel tank, which is under the master bed. You can see we put tape on it, and the needle is a little bit off of the tape. That's how much fuel we used yesterday during training practice with docking and anchoring. So that's one way to mark where your fuel was and then where it is the next morning, this morning. Also viewing the engine room, we've got this Westerbeek generator. It's 4 cylinders, 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes, 4 cylinders. You can see the electrical armature there. And this is important. This is the major circuit breaker, and people might put their hand over here and accidentally trip it down. And yes, the engine will run, but it will not produce electricity until you think about flipping it back up. Other things to look at: the Perkins 130, 135 horsepower naturally aspirated diesel. The second diesel, twin diesels, and you hear that noise. Watch these hoses. Well, too late, they stopped. This is the freshwater pump that's providing water to the galley and the showers and all of the sinks. And over here to my far left is the oil exchanger system, which you can rotate to go out of the port engine, take oil out of the port engine, oil out of the starboard engine, or oil out of the port transmission and the starboard transmission. So this oil exchanger system is great, making it easy for you to save literally $750 per oil change or more. If you want to learn more about the underdeck components of your boat, join us in Florida for our Introduction to Boat Systems seminar. Want to learn more? Ask Captain Chris.